We'll guide you through how to access Google Docs offline, ensuring you can work on your documents even without an internet connection. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Chrome browser and make sure you're signed into your Google account. You need to have the Google Docs Offline extension installed, so go to the Chrome Web Store, search for Google Docs Offline, and add it to Chrome if you haven't already. Then, go to Google Drive by typing drive.google.com in the address bar. Once you're there, click on the gear icon in the top right corner to open the Settings menu. In the Settings window, you should see an option called Offline. Check the box next to Create, Open, and edit your recent Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides files on this device while offline. This will enable offline access for your documents. You'll need to wait a few moments for your files to sync. After that, you can go to your Google Docs homepage by typing docs.google.com into the address bar and see which documents are available offline. They'll have a little lightning bolt icon next to them. If you want to make a specific document available offline, click on the document and then click on the File menu at the top. Select Make Available Offline from the drop-down. You might have to wait a few moments for it to sync, but once it does, you'll be able to access and edit it without needing the internet. To test it, try disconnecting from the internet and opening a document with the lightning bolt icon. You should be able to work on it just like you would online. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.